Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate text or elements in your Canva design. So in here, I've already opened my Canva design, and let's say I want to animate this text, the text of this design. So just click on the text that you want to animate and swipe to the options at the bottom, then click on Animate. So here, choose the type of animate that you want. For example, there is burst, roll, merge, shift, spread. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And you can also choose a different animation for every text or elements. Like this, for example. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.